Look how beautiful it is.
It really is. The pictures didn't do it justice.
Wow, it's so big. Can we go inside now?
Of course. Let's go.
Dad, what is this place?
This is a restaurant. People come here to eat different foods. Restaurants serve many dishes from different countries. Good afternoon. Welcome to Grand Coastal Inn Restaurant. Good afternoon. Thank you. Around 11 or 12 o'clock,
Many people at this time.
lunch is the meal people eat in the middle of the day.
Restaurants become busy at lunchtime.
Dad, what is written on that board?
That is the menu. A menu shows the food you can order. Menus help customers choose their meals. Good evening. Here are your menus.
Dad, there are many foods here.
Yes, restaurants often have chicken, noodles, soup, and rice. Tom, every country has its own food. China has noodles and Japan has sushi.
Dad, I see many dishes on this menu. Dad, what are these wooden sticks?
These are chopsticks. People use them in Chinese and Japanese food. Chopsticks help pick up noodles, rice, and vegetables. Hold one stick still. Move the other stick with your fingers.
Oh, this is interesting.
Many people in Asia eat food with chopsticks.
Dad, what is grilled chicken?
Grilled chicken is cooked on fire or a hot grill. Grilling gives food a smoky flavor.
Dad, I see strawberry juice.
Yes, strawberry is a sweet fruit flavor. Fruit drinks are common in restaurants. One grilled chicken and one noodle bowl. Thank you. The order goes to the kitchen. The chicken cooked on a hot grill or sticks over fire is grilled chicken. It becomes crispiest outside and juicy inside. Chicken soup is made by boiling chicken with water and vegetables. Noodles are cooked by boiling them in hot water for a few minutes. Then people add vegetables or soup to make them tasty. Here is your meal, sir. It is ready. Tom, always say thank you to people who serve your food.
Thank you. Dad, this looks like fish.
Yes, Tom, we ordered chicken.
Dad, this is a grilled fish. This is wrong.
Excuse me, waiter. Could you come here? I think there is a small problem. Excuse me, there's a problem with our order. What seems to be the problem? You did this! This is your fault!
Whoa!
I had nothing to do with it!
Dad, please calm down. Why are you fighting?
Grilled chicken as you ordered.
Thank you. This looks right.
Here is your roasted chicken, sir.
Thank you very much.
Is everything good now? Yes, everything is perfect. Tom, grilled chicken is very tasty.
Yes, Father.
Tom, rice is a common side dish. Really? I thought it was just for Asian food.
It's very versatile, Tom.
I like rice.
Dad, chopsticks are fun to use.
That's great, Tom. You're getting the hang of it.
You're doing so well, sweetie.
Can I try too? Orange juice tastes fresh.
It is rich in vitamin C. It is very healthy and good for our body. Vitamin C helps our body stay strong and healthy. It also helps us fight sickness. So like a superhero? Exactly! A superhero for our bodies. What a lovely meal. You were both so polite.
Yes, and it's so interesting to learn about the different foods.
Me too. I love the pasta.
Polite words make every meal better.
What a lovely walk. Ready to head home?
Yes, let's go. The kids are getting hungry.
Can I get ice cream?
All right, ice cream it is. Buckle up.